students, I am Nilanjana Sanyal. Welcome you all to my channel NS Online Math Classes. Our today's topic is solving a challenging exponential equation and giving the answer in logarithmic form. Yes, you may say this is the same topic that we have covered in our last session. We have solved an exponential equation and we have given the answer in logarithmic form, definitely. And it was also without calculator. We were asked to give the value of x, exact value of x. But when you come to know about the question, what is the question in our today's session that we are about to solve, you will be knowing the difference in our today's question and our yesterday's question. Okay? So, without any further delay, let us start with our today's session. Let us first of all look at the given question. Find the value of x for which 3 times 2 to the power of 1 minus x is equal to 7 to the power of x. Give your answer in the form of log of a over log of b, that means the base is 10, where a and b are integers. So now you see that you can understand what is the difference between today's question and our previous session's question. Okay, the previous session's question could be expressed in a quadratic form. But for this question, you cannot express this as a quadratic equation. Okay, so that is the difference. You have to solve, even this is an exponential equation, even for this you have to give the value of x in logarithmic form, but the process of finding the value of x will be different. Okay, so let's start with our answer. This is the given question. Now, how do you solve linear equations? We get all the terms containing x or the variable present in the equation on one side and we have all the constant terms on the other side. We simplify both the sides to get a single term on either side of the equal to sign, and we divide both sides by the coefficient of x and we get the value of x. That is what we do for solving a linear equation. We will be following a similar technique to solve this equation. Over here we are having x as the argument. So we will be taking all the terms which contain x as the argument. We are seeing 2 is having x. It is actually an expression. So can we get just x as the argument instead of 1 minus x? Yes, we can definitely get that using the laws of indices. We write 2 to the power of 1 minus x as 2 to the power of 1 divided by 2 to the power of x. This is the division law of indices or exponents. 3 times 2 to the power of 1 or 2 over 2 to the power of x. So now we get 2 to the power of x and this is 7 to the power of x. Both the terms are containing the exponent x. So we can just take all the terms containing x as the exponents to one side of the equal to sign, and we can take the constants to the other side. That is the theory. That is actually the method that we will be following. So 3, and this is 3 times 2 is 6. So it is 6 over 2 to the power of x is equal to 7 to the power of x. And since we have to take this to this side, we can either cross multiply because it is 7 to the power of x over 1. So we can cross multiply, or else we can multiply both sides of the equal to sign by 2 to the power of x. So we get 6 is equal to 2 to the power of x times 7 to the power of x, because on the left hand side, if we multiply 2 to the power of x to the left hand side, the 2 to the power of x in the numerator and the 2 to the power of x in the denominator, they will be cancelling each other and you will be having just this 6 remaining. So it is 6 equal to 2 to the power of x times 7 to the power of x. And what is a raised to the power of m times b raised to the power of m? You can write that as a times b whole raised to the power of m. You have to always remember the laws of indices or exponents or the logarithm laws, because the IGCSE, IB, ES level, A level, for all of you, you always get the data booklet, the formula booklet. So you think that okay, the formulas will be given, so we do not need to remember the formulas. But of course you have to be familiar with the formulas, because if you don't remember that there is a law which states that a to the power of m times b to the power of m is equal to a times b whole raised to the power of m, you will not be knowing that what to do after this step, how to combine them. You should be first of all knowing that there exists such a formula. Only then can you search for the relevant formula in the data booklet. Otherwise not. Okay. So we will be combining them, and we have 2 times 7 whole raised to the power of x is equal to 6, and 2 times 7 is equal to 14. So 14 raised to the power of x is equal to 6. And now, since we are asked to give the final answer, the value of x in the logarithmic form, and we don't have any other option as well, we have to express the value of x in logarithmic form if we have to give an exact value. Else we have to give an approximation up to 3 significant figures, as maybe a decimal value. Okay. If you are asked to give the exact value, then you have to go for the logarithmic value. So we take, and the base is 10, so we have to take the base as 10. We take the logarithm to the base 10 for both the sides. It becomes log of 14 to the power of x is equal to log of 6, and x is brought down, so it becomes x times log of 14 equal to log of 6. So x is equal to log of 6 over log of 14. Log 6 over log 14 is the final value of x and the final answer for this question. So a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 14. 6 and 14 are indeed integers. Okay. So the value of x in the form log of a over log of b is log of 6 over log of 14. So students, this brings us to the end of this session. Please like, share and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching this video till the end. We meet again very soon. Till then, bye.